superstar in her heydays. She acted, started from Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, and so many languages. And she acted with all the superstars of those days like Dilip Kumar, Rajendra Kumar, M.G. Ramchandran, N.T. Ramarao, and of course our Dr. Rajkumar. And her pairing and acting with Rajkumar was really a treat to watch. Especially a film called Bhagyavantaru. It was so touching and emotional and moving movie that probably nobody has not wet their eyes. Everybody has cried. That is the acting level which she had. Veerarani Kittur Channamma was another one such things. She has won Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and all those things. She was very lively even in the last days. She was a great asset to Karnataka and Karnataka film industry. I hope she lives forever through her talent and acting, what she has done in the hearts of the people.